How to turn off BitLocker in Windows. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Control Panel on your device. And in View by at the top right, make sure it's large icons. After you do that, search for BitLocker or you'll find device encryption. If you find BitLocker, you can click on BitLocker. If not, it will be in device encryption form as well. Then in here you'll find turn on option instead of backup your recovery key. It's not available on my device. You'll find BitLocker turn on in here. You need to simply turn on if you want to turn off, but we want to turn off. So simply click on turn off in here, and after you click on turn off in here, you're good to go. This is how to turn off BitLocker in Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.